Okay, we're back again. I wasn't expecting to make a Bronco video about an update. I was hoping to be driving one and doing a test drive, but I got home, I put on my dirty jeans and a shirt and started working on my Jeep, and my notification went off on my email. And for all the haters in the comment last time, I let it go and I didn't say anything, but did you get your email yet? I got my email, and I am still super psyched about getting a Bronco. I want one. I have a Jeep. I'm working on the damn thing. I want this Bronco, but Ford is dropping the ball. If they were a football team, they would be the Jets. You think you got hope in the quarterback, but you know deep down, you're gonna still suck, okay? And Ford has dropped the ball. Now, last time I mentioned about, bought and paid for, let's say YouTubers. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but come on, some of these people are bought and paid for, and then all week, what did you get this week? Oh, the rollout. And you get one Bronco on the back of a truck, okay? You got 23 vehicles there and you got one Bronco, and most of the time that Bronco is for the dealership, but no, the Bronco's coming for specific people. Yeah, people are gonna get them. I didn't say people aren't gonna get it, but the majority of us are not gonna get it. Now, I want to go over the email and what bothered me about the email. I want to say, again, I'm sounding angry because, you know what? I'm doing this 5 minutes after I got my email. I had to change my shirt to a Bronco shirt. I'm underneath the Jeep, and what I say, and I get this email. Yeah, I'm frustrated because they do it on a Friday. It's like the damn government always put out bad news on a Friday because we don't think the people are going to talk about it. Well, no, we as customers can talk about it and can complain. And, there's something very important in this email I want to go over real quick, and I'm not going to ramble. In the drive video now, when that Jeep gets there, I'm going to put a comment below. Do you want to see a straight pull, or do you want to see a pull from 30 miles per hour? Because we're doing a pull now, Okay, right here. We're happy to repeat, and this is how I know this is all propaganda on the YouTube. We're happy to report that Broncos are officially rolling off the production line. Here we go. But, sounds like my ex-wife, but, let's say, the ongoing challenges with our hardtop roof suppliers continue and impact our plans. We now have to produce more soft tops than planned, and we won't be able to solely produce customer orders as hoped. This means a longer wait time for those orders as modeled in color tops. I want to go back real quick. When I was in school, I did take some law classes. And I like details and phrases, and companies like this do details and phrases. Now, I always knew that dealerships were not going to carry a vehicle that they weren't going to be able to sell something off their showroom, okay? Right here. We won't be able to solely produce customer orders as hoped. Okay, most people are going to read right by that. But what that means is, I guarantee you there's going to be Broncos on the showroom, and people are going to get Broncos before the people that order the Broncos. Now, I ordered a two-door. Was I offered a soft top? No, I would have taken the soft top with a better price. I have to take the hard top. And now what do? They show the soft top going around with the two-door. I can't switch it, I asked. The dealer doesn't even know that I can get a soft top for a Bronco. Let's say right there itself should be alarm bells to all of us, and we should send emails to people. We should go on those YouTube channels and go, hey, what do you think? Do you think they're going to sell vehicles to customers before they give it to people that pre-ordered and been waiting and hyping this up on their YouTube channels? I mean, I'm passionate about this, and goddamn bugs on me. What the hell is going on? Let's say, I'm sorry that I'm acting a little bit, emotional, but come on, for heaven's sakes, people, don't lie to me. Don't spit on me and tell me it's raining. I want the truth. Just give me the truth. Like, I went into the dealership and I'm going to stick with this dealership too. You know why? Because the dealer, you people made fun of me. Some of you believe me. The manager told me, he goes, you're not getting it this year. I told you that a couple weeks ago. Hey, it's Friday. Hit a like and subscribe because I was right. Now I'm going to see the mechanic from the other dealership in a couple of days. I'll see what he has to know, but he's pretty 50-50. But we're not going to go there. He's a nice guy. I want to say, let's go. I'm going to read a little bit farther in there. We're going to do this live, and I'll edit it through. Let me see what else I can get. Like you were frustrated by these delays, so we're going to this one right here. Price production extension to 2023. 2023. People, you know what that means? 2023. I will rock this house down. I'm not kidding you. 2000. That means they're expecting all these pre-orders to go into 2023, or they wouldn't price protect it to 2023. Come on! It's right there in the email. Not solely, not solely. And then price until 2023. There's a YouTuber I really like. I forgot the name, but he's like, oh, I'm gonna switch to model year 2022. Dude, don't cancel your order because you won't get it until 2024 at the rate these people are going. Or you're better off at this point walking into a dealership when they do put them on the lot and just buying it. It's the same thing I told you in the last video where I wanted to order a Ford Ranger. They said, oh, you could take one of these off the lot, or we can get you one from another lot. The moment I asked to actually order something that I wanted, 6 months, don't tell me Ford knows what they're doing at this point. Because Ford has, I'm not swearing, but Ford has screwed this up. Ford needs to come clean and go, hey dude, we are so behind. Don't just blame the hardtop. If a hardtop is the only reason to blame for this, then we are in trouble. Because if I was Ford, I'd build 3 buildings in 3 months. China can do it. Why can't we build a couple factories and produce hardtops? Don't tell me it's that hard with that much money on the line, okay? You know the profit range on the Bronco is going to be the most, it's like a pickup truck. So it's going to make them a lot of money. Let me see anything else that I'm going to get in here. I'm going to be done for the day. Leave a comment, leave some hate, leave some good things, leave a like, subscribe. I'm just going to do that test drive. We're going to pounce the living hell out of this thing at this point in time. But I say, if you like Jeeps, take a look at some of the Jeep things. Free. Oh, here's one. I own a 2-door. What's this doing for me? Free hardtop prep kit. I have the hardtop. I can't get a soft top on the 2-door. So offer me a soft top and I'll take the prep kit. I'll take the Bronco with the soft top. I got money in the bank right now. I will take it next week, okay? Oh God, I'm gonna have a drink. Oh, by the way, next video, you're gonna be on disconnecting sway bars for a Jeep, and we're gonna do a drinking game. So come and take a look at that. If you have any questions about product updates or offers, please reach out to Ford dealers directly. Yeah, because they sure don't want to hear about it, and the dealers, half of them don't know what they're doing. Look, man, I'm gonna end this off. I am happy, and I think Ford Bronco will beat the crap out of Jeep. I do. I just honestly, people, let's be honest with each other. We're not gonna get the Ford until next year. Most of us. Now, the few lucky ones that do get it, all for you, but it's going to be, if anyone like a YouTuber gets it, it's going to be someone with a big YouTuber get it. It's going to be very few people. The majority of us will be, what would you want for Christmas? Well, all I'm wishing for Christmas is a Ford Bronco, okay? Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and feel like Chevy Chase. Where's the Tylenol?